Most people want the easy life. They pray for calm seas. They pray for the sun. But life is not a sunny day. Life is a storm. And when the dark clouds roll in, you have two choices. You can be the cow, or you can be the buffalo. On the plains of Colorado, when a storm approaches, the cows react with fear. They turn their backs on the storm and they run away. But cows are slow, and the storm is fast. So what happens? The storm catches them. And because they are running with the storm, they stay in the pain the longest. They run alongside their own misery, exhausted, wet, and terrified. This is how most people live their lives, running from pain only to find themselves trapped in it. But the buffalo is different. When the buffalo sees the storm top the horizon, it does not turn. It does not run away. It waits. It lines up, and the moment the thunder cracks, the buffalo charges directly into the storm. By running at the pain, by running into the chaos, the buffalo minimizes the time it spends in suffering. It breaks through the other side while the cows are still drowning. You have been acting like the cow. You are running from the difficult conversation. You are running from the early morning. You are running from the work. You think avoiding the hard things keeps you safe. No, it keeps you weak. The peace you are looking for, the quiet mind you want, is not found by hiding. It is found on the other side of the suffering. You cannot go around it. You cannot go under it. You must go through it. Stop hoping for the storm to miss you. It won't. Stop hoping for an easier life. It doesn't exist. Pray instead for the strength to face the wind. The only way out is in. So, empty your mind of fear. Fill it with courage. Be the buffalo.